is a typical blurred out image. This is a YouTube icon, and this is it when it's blurred out. So this is motion blur, and same as this. And then this is Gaussian blur. Alright, so we're going to be learning two ways to blur out icons like this. Number one is with Photo Room app. Number two is free without data connection. Photoshop Touch. Let's get right into it. Alright, so this is the Photo Room app. So I'm just going to click on it. When we click on it, you wait for it to load. So this is the interface of the app. Search Photo Room's content, all of that. So you scroll down to explore everything. But what concerns us today is transparent and start from photo. So to start, click on start from photo. And then you're going to click on gallery or files to access the image you want to remove the background. So for me, I'll click on gallery, then I'll pause this, find the image I want to remove the background, and then you see it's already removed. Alright, so this is the icon, and when I clicked on it, it took about some seconds to remove the background, or rather just check it, and then this is the finished work. Now, the next thing to do is to click on transparent. You see white, black, transparent, original. Now, white is the image in a white background. Black is the image in a black background. Transparent is the image in a PNG background, which is transparent. So that's what we want. So click on transparent. So when you click on transparent, in case the image is interfering with the icon such as this, and to allow you not to get the full um blur effect properly, because the icon will find its way to button tight. So what you do is to click on the icon and then move it up a bit away from the icon, so that by the time you import it, you can crop out the icon. Alright, so when you click on the icon, you see a host of options. You just scroll down. So what concerns us now is blur. Right, so when you click on blur, you see different blur options: bokeh, Gaussian, motion, hexagon, square, box, disc. Alright, so what concerns us here is bokeh and motion. So you can explore with whatever you want, but how I got the previous effect is through motion and bokeh. Alright, so when you scroll down a bit, you see this slider. This slider allows you to edit the extent of the blur effect on your image. Alright, so when you take the slider all the way to the end, you see that the blur effect increases. Let's try with motion. When you take it all the way to the end, you see the motion blur effect at its full extent. Alright, so this is what you want. You move the slider to the extent that you want, and when you are fully satisfied, you click on done. Now, after you've clicked on done, click on export to export your image, and then click on save to gallery. Once you see this, it's done. Your image is saved. Alright. So in some cases, when you open your app, at the point where you export, you see an option to open a free account. So you can click on open a free account if you wish to, and then click on maybe later if you don't wish to at that point, and it will lead you straight to this place where you can save your image to gallery. So that's the first option for blurring out PNG icons. Alright, the second one is Photoshop Touch. So let's go to Photoshop Touch. Alright, so this is the second app, Photoshop Touch, Adobe Photoshop Touch. So you click on the app, and then this is the interface. This is the interface of the app. Now, you can notice that I blurred out some images and icons before. Now, if you want me to make a video on how I blur out these images for awesome backgrounds, you can comment below saying that you want a video on that, so that I can consider making the video. Now, to start a new project, you click on this plus icon, and then you see new project from all of that. Now, the catch with this app is that your image that you want to blur must be in a PNG format. It must be in a transparent format. You can decide to remove the background of your image if it's you downloaded it in a JPEG format and you want to blur out the icon. You can remove the background so that you get a clean PNG format of the image. You can use Photo Room app to remove the background, or any background remover website. Alright, and then you bring it over to this app. if your icon is already in PNG format, all you have to do is click on this photo icon and then click on photo library. When you click on photo library, you have access to your folders. Now this is at your own discretion. Now I'm going to look for the folder where my image that I want to blur is. So I'll pause the video and find the icon, then resume it back for you guys to see. All right, let's say this is the icon I want to remove the background. This photo, not photo, Pinterest icon. I'll just click on it and click on add. So this is the main interface of the app. All you have to do is click on this FX icon and then you see Gaussian blur, directional blur, sharpen, drop shadow, glow, bevel, whatever. So what concerns us here is either Gaussian blur or directional blur. Now you click on Gaussian blur. So this slider also affects the extent of the blur. Alright, so maybe you want just this extent. So if you are satisfied, you click on the good icon. You can also decide to make it a directional blur. Now, the good thing with directional blur in photo photo touch is that it enables you to change the angle or direction. So what you have to do is this circular thingy that is here, you just click on the square that's close to it and then move it to either of these angles. Just move it clockwise or anti-clockwise to get your preferred angle. So when you click on the angle, click on size to increase the the extent of the blur. Now when you click on size, you will see that the blur is actually going in the direction that you put it at. So if, when you make it like this, you see to go straight because 90 is a straight angle and all that. Can you see? So depends on whatever you want. If you are satisfied, you click on good and then this is your icon. If you are not satisfied and you want to re-edit, click on undo. All right, if maybe you undo by mistake, click on redo. All right, and then you get your result. Now when you want to save your icon, click on done and then click on save. All right, so when you scroll up, you see your saved image. If you want to save it to your gallery, click on this other icon and then click on save to gallery. Now there are two options: save as JPEG or save as PNG. We want a PNG file, so click on PNG. All right, and click what you want to save. If you want to save more than one, you can do the same, but I just want to save one. So click that icon and click on OK to save it. So that's all. If you got value from this video, please like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified when I drop new videos. Thank you.